Set up a Windstream modem. Having a Windstream modem will allow you to surf the internet while still be able to receive calls. This will be very handy, especially for those who are heavy users of the internet, with satellite offices in different locations. Setting up a modem is very easy, since in most deployments when Windstream is your internet provider, they will give you a startup kit upon receipt of the hardware. That startup kit and the instructions listed below should make it very simple for you to have your own modem set up in just a matter of minutes. Installing the modem software. When you get your modem package from Windstream, it will come with an installation CD that will contain the installer files for your modem. All you need to do is to just insert that CD into your CD drive and let the computer read it. It should automatically launch the installer program. If not, you can just directly open the contents of the CD and look for a file named Setup or Installer. Selecting the Internet provider. After you have installed the software for the modem, it will ask you to select a service provider for your internet. Select the Windstream provider. If in case you are using a Windstream modem but choose to use a different ISP, then just select your preferred internet service provider. Agreeing to the term and conditions. In most programs and applications, you would need to read and agree to the terms and conditions page before you will be able to download and install. If you do not agree or disagree to it, then you would be forced to quit the application. Just select the Accept button and you should be good to go. After this, you should be ready to restart your computer so that the installation should take effect properly. You can do this by closing all of your currently active applications and selecting the Restart option. Running your modem application. When you have installed the application, run it and fill in the account information if you selected Windstream as your ISP. In most cases, you will be allowed to establish your own email account. 2. Plug your internet cable to your modem. Just get the nearest phone cable from your telephone landline and plug it into your modem. Once you have done this, you can finish the modem setup by connecting your phone cable to your DSL filter, which can be found at the back of your modem with the text DSL. You should now connect your Ethernet cable of your terminal to the back portion of your modem. You should now be able to plug the modem back the power source and see if the connectivity lights all light up, indicating that there is an active network running through it. You should finish this by selecting the next option to complete the installation. You should now be able to use your Windstream modem whether you are at home or in the office. Remember to keep your tools plugged into their proper power source to avoid damages to your hardware.